Hello everyone. This is Sam, and welcome to this first episode of A2Z. Now, actually, we are doing the second question of Striver. I have to actually open my brightness to keep my brightness to lighter. I mean, not dark because, anyhow, even if it is gonna hurt my eyes. Okay, this is okay, right? I can actually you're able to see me, right? And that's all I wanted actually, because I wanted to code in dark mode only, but if I keep it in light mode, actually this will make me look, at least it will make me look a little brighter on the screen. And actually the screen is quite bright when I keep it like this, so I will basically keep it in this way, even though it will hinder my camera or whatever is shown in my camera. But yeah, so even this, how can we change this cloth to dark? Here. Oh, actually I've kept it so far. So this is the dark mode of cloud. It looks good, dude. Okay, so we were in charts. Striver DSC. Yeah. So this is what I gave the name of the strivers. This is what I gave the description. Now what we need to do is we need to do the first question of largest element in an array, because I have already solved the sorting techniques. I didn't go through this learning basics because I think that I basically know these things, and if you have not gone through, then you should actually check this part out. I'm not promoting strivers by any means because I have not completed it, of course. So let's do the first question, largest element in an array. Now, okay, when it opened, actually it gave me one. Okay, it checks afterwards. Nice. The default one is bright. Anyhow, the problem statement, given in an array, we have to find the largest element in an array. Now the examples are 2, 5, 1, 3, 0. The output is 5. Of course, 5 is the largest element in an array. Example is 8, 10, 5, 7, 9. Output is 10. Explanation is 10 is the largest element in the array, of course. Don't jump directly into the solution, try it out yourself. Now what we can do is we can copy this, we can go to GFG or anywhere else. Okay, so k element, largest element in an array is already present here. So yeah, I got it. I want to keep it in dark mode, but even if I keep it in light mode, does it hinder the... Actually it makes it better in terms of my screen, right? Okay, never mind. So yeah, let's keep it dark only because it hurts my eyes. My eyes are hurting. So given an array, the task is to find the largest element and return it. The task is to find the largest element, that means 56, no, of course 90. 90 is the largest element and we have to return the given array. Now of course we have got the element in this parameter, because of course when a function runs, it takes the parameter and then performs certain things. Now if I have this array, what I can do with this array is I can give a maximum value, but the thing is, if I give a maximum value, then it should be smaller, right? That means integer.max. Yup. So how do I validate that this is this value is something that is maximum right now? There's a small error. This is a max value. Okay, so keep it max value, right? But instead of keeping it max value, we keep it minimum value, because first time when I'm trying to give my value or append my value, it should be some value, but here the constraints are like 0 is greater than equal to, that means it can be 0 as well, but still this is, I think, a better way to write, because we are having a minimum value and then we will try to append. When we go towards, we will traverse our elements one by one. So if I give it for int I is equal to 0, I is less than equal to or less than arr dot length, which is till the last element. Yeah, if arr dot length is 8, that means the length is 8, but we traverse from index to index, so of course this is 0, first index, I plus plus. Then what we can do is if arr of I is greater than max, the max value becomes arr of I, and after this we just return the max. Given an array, find the largest element, that means arr of max. This way, max way, right? And because arr of I is having this value, right? So if I compile this, the case 1 is running properly. Let's run some more. Yeah, so it's calculating score, we got 1 point, and easily we have solved this question, which is comes in easy. Second largest element in an array without sorting. Okay, given array, find the second smallest and second largest element in an array, print and 1 as 1, whatever, blah blah blah. Second largest element in an array, question is available. We'll go here. Now given an array of positive integers, the array is of positive integers, return the second largest element of the array. If the second largest element does not exist, then return -1. If the second largest element does not exist, then return -1. What does this mean? Given an array of position integer, it's already late in the night, guys, but yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. Given an array of positive integers arr, return the second largest element from the array. Second largest element from the array. If the second largest element does not exist, then return. Note, the second largest element should not be equal to the largest element. Should not be equal to the largest element. Whoa. Which means if 12, 35, 1, 10, 34 is there, 5 will be the largest element. Okay. So if I start sorting them, constraint is time complexity is there. Array 10, 10, 10. That means -1. Okay, if the second largest element is not present, does not exist, then return -1. Damn. Okay. The arrays we need to sort. We need to sort the array first. Let's sort the array with our method. Let's try with some kind of sorting technique. Should we try to sort this? Nah, I don't think. I think we should, instead of trying to sort this with different methods, I think I should do a call. Array dot this array, and we'll try to system dot out dot println compile this and run this. What it's gonna print? Is it gonna print something? Yeah, we're gonna return something, right? We're gonna return 1 this time because it is returning something. Turns out you cannot print this thing, so manage.toString method. See, whatever I'm doing, I just remember some things from here. I tend to forget a lot of things, guys. It's not like I am very habituated with all this now. And 1, 1, 10, 12, 34, 35 array is sorted. Now if the array is sorted, we're gonna traverse from the last part and see if the value has changed. Correct? Yes. For int I is equal to array.length -1. It's the last part. I is greater than equal to 0. I minus minus. So we are traversing from the backwards. Now when we are traversing from the backwards, what we need to do? We need to check first value int last is equal to array of n minus array of n minus 1. That means array of the last array, right? But what is n? So n is equal to array dot length. Yup. So we have got n, we have got last value. It's not the most optimized way to write it, but just to have that intuition, we do these things. Yeah, what we do, what not. So, yup. Now basically we're getting the length, we have the n minus 1, that is the last index of the array, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna traverse if arr of I is smaller than arr of, sorry, we can write last, just return arr of I, and if it does not happen, then just return -1 probably. Yeah, it works guys. Yeah, so let's see the test cases. I don't know if it will run everything or not. It should probably run. Yes indeed, you get marks only for the first correct submission, so without doing the full solution. Bang bang. Turns out I've already solved this in my Geeks for Geeks. Cool. Check if this array is sorted. Check if the array is sorted. Given an array of integers, check if the array is sorted. Integers, check if the array is sorted. Okay. We already have the question, guys. We already have the question. Given an array ARR, of course, check whether it is sorted in non-decreasing order. Return true if it is sorted, otherwise false. Return true if it is sorted, otherwise false. The given array is sorted. Given array, check whether it is sorted or non-decreasing order. That means ascending order. So what do we need to do is, can we recursively check if it is sorted shall we use a recursive function for this? I would love to use a recursive function for this. Let's do it, guys. Public static void recursive checker. Check. Now it takes an integer array. Takes an integer array, guys. Actually, I should listen to some songs. Doesn't matter. It will be good to my ears. I haven't listened to songs since like ages. You know why, guys? My earphone just got broken. That's why I'm not able to listen to songs during any coding in my office. So basically, I will listen to some old Japanese girl song. Girls, I love this kind of songs actually. Japanese girls singing 3 hours non-stop. No, I don't want this one. I want Japanese songs. Nope, Japanese songs. Yup, Kyoto 1980. Okay guys, this recursive function will take array as well as the length. Sure, low and high as well. See, I'm pretty bad at coding, guys, to be honest. Actually, you will know when I step to like some difficult questions, like little difficult. This is what I'm trying. Actually, I can easily solve it with checking, and then if I don't get one value, then yeah. So recursively, what will happen here is I will take the array. Low is there, n is there. I don't need n actually. Okay. If low is greater than equal to n, just return dude. Why return? Because return true. Of course, return true. But why do I need to recursively check? Hey, if this is a recursive sort check, then I'm getting an array. I'm trying the low. I'm getting the n. Now let's try to pass something. Let's try to pass the low. The 0, of course. 0th index int n is equal to. See, we can always refer always give the reference, but if you keep the names in, there is no problem in it, right? So that's why I'm doing this. I'll send the length. That's it. Now recursive sort check. Here I will send the array, the low, and the n. So that means if low is, if array of low is greater than non-decreasing order, it doesn't decrease, so I cannot give equals. array of low, and the array of, so basically whatever array I'm taking, right? Array of low plus 1, let's do. First, let's assume that sorted flag is true. Okay, link static. Let's give a sorted flag to it. No, this is a LAN actually. Integer sorted flag. Okay, so low we have sorted flag is true. It's sorted for us, or should not it be sorted for us? It is sorted. First, initially it is sorted. We will think that it is sorted. That means we will also send the sorted flag. Okay, this is, you can pretty much do anything that you want, guys. I'm doing my way of I'm just roughing it up. I could have done it easily. Now I am confused, but anyways, public static void recursive sort check. I'm sending array of course, low and sorted flag. Sorted flag is true, by the way. So if array is greater than array, then sorted flag, you make this sorted flag true and then return. So first time it will check if row is greater than length plus 1, and then if low, array of low, or the low actually, if the low is works. Sorted flag equals true. Return. But where is gonna return? Yep. If sorted flag is equal to true, return, guys. Don't. Recursive sort check. We will send the array. We will send the low plus 1. We will send the n. We will send the sorted flag. We don't need to return. So compile this. It will break. Recursive sort check. Error, cannot find symbol. Recursive sort check. Recursive. 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 Recursive sort check. Recursive sort check. Recursive sort check. Int sort true. Int sort true. Of course. Whoa. 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 What's up? Damn statement. Recursive sort check. Cannot find symbol. Recursive sort check. Recursive sort check. Nice coding. Subpass. Recursive sort check. Recursive sort check. Cannot find symbol. Recursive sort check. Sorted flag I have sent. Array I have sent. Array I have sent. Okay, array is this. Low I have sent. Low. Yep. N I have sent, which is arr.length. Sorted flag I have sent. That was wrong. Symbol, variable of sorted flag. Yep, boolean, integer. Yeah, it's correct. What's the problem? Variable. Hey yo, what's up? It's sorted. It's sorted. Cannot find symbol. Recursive sort check. Array of low and cannot find this symbol. Recursive sort check. Recursive sort check. Tick void. Is it what I'm thinking? Not needed, dude. Nope. What's the problem, dude? Sorted flag. Whoa. Very nice. Good. Recursive sort check again. Array and send array. Yes. Low. arr.length. True. Sorted flag. Nice. Brilliant coder. Let's try to submit. Oh my god. Recursion. Ooh, possibly your code does not work correctly for multiple test cases. The first case, when your prefix failed, you have output as false. Yay, nice. So if sorted is equal to true, yes, very nice. So we'll send it as false. It's not sorted. Return. Hey. Write this. What am I being on, dude? What am I teaching these guys? What am I saying these guys? This is disgusting, dude. Hang up. Exception is main thread. Array index out of bound. Index 5 of length 5. Okay. Index 5. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If low is greater than n. Like false. Keep on calling. Return. When will you return, buddy? No. Is it? No. Of course no. If sorted flag is equal to false, then return. Sorted flag is true, by the way. If low is greater than low plus 1, return. So low plus 1, right? Sorted is equal to false. That means if there are 3 arrays, 1, 2, 3, then if sorted is equal to true, that we are sending them, that means recursive sort check will allow this thing, and then 1, 2, 3 will go inside, 0 will go inside, length 3 will go inside, 3 will go inside, yeah. So sorted flag is equal to false, then return. Sorted flag is not equal to false if array of low is greater than array of. So currently 0 is not greater than 1, because 1, 2, 3, 1 is like 0th index is not greater than 1, because 1 is less than 2. So that means it will not go inside this. And then if low is equals to n minus 2, in this case low is 0, this equals to n minus 2, 3 minus 2. 1, 0 is not greater than 1. Okay, 0 is not equals to 1. A recursive function is called, array is called, low is called, sorted flag is called. Now array goes, 1 goes, 3 goes, and sorted flag goes. If sorted flag is equals to false, no, it is not false. If array of low is 1, which means 1, 2 is greater than 3, no, then sorted flag false, no, it will not go inside it. So if low is equal to n minus 1, low is 1, 1 is equal to n minus 2, sorry, not 1, 3 minus 2. Is equal to 1. No, this will not happen. I understood. It's not happening. It's not gonna happen, dude. So with this code, see, if you have this code, let's bring out Xcali actually. It will be better if you understand why Xcali. Just came, right? Yes. Array is sorted, check कर चुके हैं. We have already checked array is sorted. Check if the array is sorted. Check if the array is sorted. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. In case of sorted array, the low is 0, the low is 0, the n is 3. These are the indexes. The boolean sorted flag is for now true. It's sorted. Okay, now the recursive sort check will happen. Recursive sort check. Everything will go inside. So sorted flag is equal to false. It's not true if ARR of low is 0 is greater than ARR of low plus 1, which is not true. That means it will go to this. If low is greater than equal to n minus 2, if low is greater than equals to n minus 2, low is greater than equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. Low is it's not true, so recursive sort will call again. Recursive sort will be called again with new values. Recursive sort will be called again with the new value. L becomes 1 and becomes sim3 sf. What did I write? SF. Okay, flag. Flag is true till now. Recursive sort value. Recursive sort happens now with +1. Yup. Low +1. That means low is 0, 1, 2. Low is here. So sorted flag is equal to false. No, it's true. First scenario wrong. If arrow low is greater than array of low +1, array of low, which is this, is greater than array of low +1, which is also wrong. It's also wrong. If low is greater than equal to n-2, if low is greater than equal to 3 minus 2, yes, 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 yes. Return. That means this will return to where, dude? Just return, that's it. Return. That means everything is over, right? Ah, yes. Base function. Instead, what we can do is we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. 0, 1, 2. Correct? So every time we will do L plus 1. Low. We have called. Now recursive function we have called, right? So first check is not done. Now array is going, low is going. Here we will check array of low is greater than array of low plus 1. If this happens, then sorted flag. This happens. This happens. Now sorted flag becomes true because array of low is greater than array of low plus 1. Cool. And again, if array of low is greater than equals to n, in this case also return, right? In this case also return, guys. This case also return. Hey, this will not happen, right? Recursive sort check array low plus 1. So let's check it out this time. uh, so 0 1 2, we have 1 2 3, right? So recursive sort function will be called, array will go inside low. Yup. So boolean, what kind of boolean is this? Sorted flag, of course. So let's write it down. Sorted flag is going as true. Low is going as 0 this time. Array.length then is equal to 3. Now sorted flag, if sorted flag is equal to false, which is not true. Now if low is greater than equals to n, low is greater than equals to n, low is greater than equals to n, which means low is 0, but low 0 is not greater than equals to 3. Okay, then means do recursive call low sort. It will keep on calling, buddy. What am I doing wrong, dude? So 1 2 and 3, let's try to give some intuition. Now 0 1 and 2, from 0 1 and 2 till arr dot length -1 you run. Every time you check whether this the point which you are at is greater than the point which we will go towards. Yes. Cool. I'm standing here. Okay. If low is greater than or equal to n, it is 3 minus 1 2 then return. Okay, then you return. Array of length, go till here, return. Otherwise, do this recursive. Check. But again, kind of intuition that I'm getting where it is wrong. Recursive sort check to give an integer. Will it? Nothing it will give. Sort check only it will change. So we have 1, 2 and 3. It is 0, 1 and 2. Cool. Now what happens? Where am I? Yes, here. So now what happens? 0, 1 and 2. 0, 2 and 3. 0, 1 and 2. 1, 2 and 3. We will call for the first time low greater than equal to n minus 1. Is it? Greater than equal to? No, it's not equal to. Don't return. N is equal to 3. 3 minus 1. Zero for the first time. Sorted flag is true. It means false. Cool. 0 greater than 1. No, 0 is not greater than or equal to 1. Sorted flag is equal to false. No, it is true. If array of low is greater than array of low plus 1, array of low is greater than array of low plus 1, sorted flag is true. It's false. No, not sorted of array low of 1 and minus 1. And minus n, let's do n greater than or equal to n. So 1 is there if sorted array. No, if sorted array will be false. False. No, if array dot length 2 is greater than array of low. No. Recursive subplan false. True is gone. True. If array is it? So this will go to Claude. No, let's go to DeepSeek. Oh my god, my eyes hurt. Again, it's gonna hurt. Oh, I'm dead, guys. If it was not for you guys, I would never have done it in this pitch dark night. So I have almost done everything I could for this question with recursion. Which question with recursion? Damn the audacity. Where in my solution I am going wrong? Oh no. It started thinking. I don't want you to think, dude. There are few issues with the recursion approach. Java is passed by value. When you pass sorted flag, a primitive boolean, the recursive method changes it and won't reflect in calling method. Okay. If n is equal to array.length, int n is equal to array.length. Okay, done. Let's try to follow this approach. Yeah. Now return recursive sort check. Error and 0. Yup. Recursive sort check. Now if index, okay, index is writing. Index. Index. Cool. There is an array and there is an index. We have taken an index, we are taking an array. That's what is needed, right? Yup. Index is greater than equal to error len minus 1. If index is greater than equal to error dot len minus 1, in static recursion sort check, if int of index is greater than equal to error of length minus 1, greater than equal to error of length minus 1, that means last index, then this return true. Yes, of course, why it will not return true? If the last index will return true. If index plus. Yup, 1 plus. I almost did this thing, but except I should have gone for length. -1. That means it works. Yes, indeed. Where am I going wrong? Oh my god, I'm feeling so much sleepy, dude. Thank god this is doing without thinking. Logic error in your recursion approach. This is wrong. False. In this case we should send false, dude. Just try to think, Sam. It will work, dude. Of course. Length. Oh my god. So if error of index is greater than error of index plus 1, then you're gonna do false, of course, because it's not sorted. If error of index is greater than this sorted, return every time. But yeah, this is what. Learn something new. Really nice. Okay, it's time to update it on strivers. We have done 3 questions and we also have the code, I guess, fully. Nope. Yes. So this is a solution for check if array is sorted. GitHub, add a file, upload file is there. What we can do is we can pull it A2Z striver. A2Z. Z will be here. We'll do git clone and we'll try to paste it, but this is how we will do it. Okay, now this is we'll do ls, we'll do damn, I'm trying to build my own git right now because I have pulled this thing instead. Damn, which world I am from, dude? Seriously, it is a cheat. Not needed. I need to just move it to trash. Then again create a new file called A2Z. A2Z. A2Z is here. Now open the terminal. Not properties, terminal. Okay, after opening the terminal, I need to do git clone, not git clone. Git clone. I need to paste from a mouse. Now A2Z series will be there. I have ls, I have git status. Git status is fatal because I have not done A2Z sheet. Now I have inside the sheet. Now make directory. Now what I need to make as a directory? Check if an array is sorted. Check if an array is sorted. Check if an array is sorted. Whoa. Which place am I going after this? If is sorted, check if an array. Delete, dude. Move it to trash. Shall I do one thing? Shall I open this whole thing with VS Code? That's what I should have done earlier. Anyways. Array sorted. Your main method. Now it's time to paste this, not this, but this. Yep. Now I have git as well as VS Code. Now I am pasting this recursive code. Do it. I did it recursively though. It's sorted. Git. Okay. Status. Git. Add dot. Git. Commit. To the message. Check if array is sorted recursively. Now again make directory. Make directory what? Which directory? Second largest element in array. Find the second largest element. I just did it, right? Yep. It will be here. So what I did is next array return ARR of I, the last element. Otherwise, cool, works. Now mkdir second largest. You can name it second largest. No, I think I should name it here. It will be better if I name it here. Largest main.java. There's a main method that it created. I don't want it. There's a toString import from. Yep. That means if I do git status, git add dot, git push, git commit, push. Second largest element in an array. So do git status, I have nothing to commit. The thing is, I also need to do largest element in an array. Of course, I already have done largest element in an array, but I need to I've done it with max value. Okay. Largest element in an array. Now we do this solution to the main. I'll go to the main dude. What if I do the solution is a problem? Largest element in an array. Yup. So git status. Largest element in an array. I've added, so I need to push it. Every code is there. Now what we'll do is we'll go to x.com and then we'll post it. Before it, we'll go to our GitHub. Okay, what all I did. Largest element, come over here. Largest element, I'm waiting for you. Largest element, an array. Not like this. Second largest element in an array. Where is the second largest element in an array? Here. It's main.java. It should give error. But anyways. Java dot. Nice. So second largest element, and then another thread. So this thread will say cursively find if the array is sorted, because I'm too crazy and sorted. Check if an array is sorted. Check if the array is sorted with the main method. I've got the main method, but actually it is solution. So yeah. Interesting. Whew. Okay guys, 3 questions, more than enough. We learned with the third question, I mean, yeah, like recursion just came, with a lot of edge cases. Not edge cases actually, basically it was my fault that I did some silly mistakes. But anyway, let's close the stream and let's go for sleep.